James, thank you. Tonight, an exclusive NBC 15 reality check. A Mobile woman shares her ongoing nightmare after nearly losing her life in a crash.
Hospital bills are now piling up. The financial hardship from the crash made even worse by an Alabama law you've never heard of, but it's one that impacts every driver on the road. NBC
15's Andrea Ramey shares her story. Andrea?
Well, Kim and Greg, Olisa Gamble was just sitting in the passenger seat in the turning lane on Dolphin Island Parkway September 24th when she was hit head-on. She was in ICU and almost didn't make it, but a law on the books in Alabama limits what she can receive to help pay her bills because the crash involves a city worker, specifically a Mobile police officer.
It's just hard to talk about.
The pictures taken from her hospital bed.
All of my intestines was pushed up to here.
Show the hell Olisa Gamble has been through since September 24th, the day Officer Daniel Marlin slammed his police cruiser into the car she was riding in. An accident report NBC 15 News obtained lists Marlin at fault.
I was on the life support. I had 3 chest tubes. My lungs failed 3 times.
Gamble had just started a new job as a hairstylist. Her health insurance hadn't kicked in yet. No insurance to cover those 2 weeks spent in ICU.
I got to find a bill, and it ain't pretty.
What kind of stress is that?
Ooh, I have to pray a lot. Have to. It does something to you.
These are some of the worst injuries that I've seen in 25 years of practice.
Attorney Bill Island represents Gamble and says because of who hit her, an officer working for the city of Mobile, it will greatly limit what she will recover to help with medical bills. While there can be exceptions, state law spells out municipalities don't have to pay more than $100,000 to an injured person.
She's looking at several $100,000 in medical bills, and obviously the that you can do the math, and it doesn't really work out good for her favor.
Island says what happened to Gamble could happen to any driver.
People just don't realize that there are statutory caps.
Caps that were put on the books in 1994 and haven't been updated since. Caps that could be financially devastating for Gamble. But right now, her main focus is healing.
That's all I really need. Prayers going up so I can get better, so I can be a mother to my kids.
We reached out to the city of Mobile and explained Gamble's situation to see if it would work with her on her bills, but we have not heard back. Gamble has a long road ahead of her and is not yet able to work. The family wants people to know about a GoFundMe account set up to help her. We have put a link to it on our website, mynbc15.com. Just click on this story, or you can click on the Find It section. Greg?